By the way, I'm gonna show you what we are doing. I don't want you to be lost. We have a sample application into GitHub repo. We will get this sample application in our GitHub repo. And we will have a Jenkins server. This server is going to take the Java application from the GitHub repo and will deploy on the top of staging and production Tomcat web server. So first we are starting with the staging infrastructure. So in the upcoming hours, we will use the Jenkins jobs to deploy our code to the staging. We are creating this staging environment. Okay, why? Because in the upcoming hours, we are going to make some deployment. We are going to make some deployments. There should be Tomcat server ready, installed, and configured in this staging environment. So, because later on we will deploy our code on the top of this staging environment, we are creating this environment. Okay, just now we are in this staging Tomcat server. By the way, let me change it. Tomcat stage server. Okay, this is Tomcat stage server. We are trying to create Tomcat staging server.